Hi, this is Andy Mann, and I am testing an Aver U15 document camera with a built-in microphone to try to do a little sample recording. So we're going to find out how well it works here with YouTube. So the application I wanted to show you was called SoundDrop. When I tap play, it brings me this little ball that drops down the page. But when I draw a line underneath it, it hits this, and I can adjust the line by grabbing the access point, the end, and it changes the pitch. Now, I can draw additional lines and continue this process. And we've sort of built a little rhythm going here. So, to get rid of a line, I double tap on the line. And I can do that. So that is SoundDrop. Simple, it's free, and they have a premium model as well. So take a look at it. I think you'll like it.